Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by writing the function signature and deciding what result you need back. Define parameters that carry inputs, then place return followed by the expression you want returned. For example, def add a b, return a plus b instantly hands the sum to the caller. You do this because return transfers data out of the function. Without it, you only get none. Once written, call the function and assign its output to a variable to use the returned value. You next handle branching and multiple outputs by using conditional returns and compound types. If different inputs need different outputs, place return inside if, else branches so each path returns a clear result. When you must return several values, return a tuple or list. Return x, y, or return x, y, y. Once done, document that none is an intentional no result so callers can test for it instead of confusing it with an error. You finish by calling the function, assigning the returned value, and testing expected behavior. Use type hints and small unit tests to verify types and contents. This prevents surprises when integrating. Make sure to return, not print, because print only displays a value and does not pass it back. If things go wrong, check for missing return statements, incorrect indentation, or accidental prints. These are the most common issues that cause functions to return none.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.